Hey, what's up, Internet? So, I've been working with crypto mining for like 4 years now, and recently I just did this insane research deep dive, spent probably 28, maybe 32 hours going through everything available, YouTube tutorials, Bitcoin talk forums, Telegram channels, Twitter threads, trying to identify which platforms are actually legit versus which ones are complete scams. And honestly, I'm wiped out. Because what I kept seeing is most of the information floating around is just advertising total scam. What annoys me is there's only a tiny number of legitimate platforms remaining that do actual cloud mining. Most of what's out there, absolute junk, but a few are still real, and cryptohash is one of them. So today I'm demonstrating the full walkthrough, the real platform, complete process, so make sure you watch through this. Okay, so first thing, gotta pick which cryptocurrency I'm gonna mine. I'll select USDC for this run, but you've got basically everything here. Bitcoin, ETH, USDT, Tron, Solana, all the major coins. Just going with USDC for this example. All right, so now I gotta enter my payout wallet address. Let me pull up Trust Wallet, copying my address, switching back over, dropping it in this field here. Okay, now choosing my target amount. Let me set, yeah, that works for this. And this part, actually crucial, selecting the hash power level. So this controls how fast the mining happens, basically. Higher means quicker but more expensive. Lower is cheaper but slower. So there's a balance you need to consider. I'm setting this to, yeah, that option seems right. And last thing, gonna click Start Mining, pressing it now, and okay, running. So you can watch everything happening right here, progress updates, completion estimate, all the info. So at this point, I'm just waiting for it to finish up. All right, looks like it's complete. So from here, I can either start a new mining round or withdraw what I just earned. But key detail, they need the infrastructure fee covered before they'll process withdrawals. It's all itemized here on screen, so make sure you plan for that. Everything's shown openly though. Okay, so I'm copying this payment address, one moment. Back to the site, clicking I've paid, waiting for everything to verify. Okay, so while this goes through and I'm waiting for my tokens to show up, let me explain why this platform's actually trustworthy. I've tested around 5 different cloud mining platforms over the past year or so, and they basically all ran the same con. Your initial withdrawal processes perfectly. You're feeling confident, thinking, okay, this works, so you put in more funds for a larger session. That's precisely when everything falls apart. Suddenly there's maintenance mode, or they claim you need to pay surprise validator fees, or their support completely stops replying. I got scammed out of roughly $215 total across 2 different platforms before I discovered cryptohash. What separates this one is straightforward honesty. The fee structure is fixed and doesn't change. I've run maybe 9 or 10 sessions now over the last couple months, and it's been the same exact experience every time. Same steps, same transparent fees, same reliable outcomes. My recommendation for beginners, verify everything yourself before trusting anyone's word, including mine. Do 1 minimum session, withdraw it, confirm it hits your wallet, then wait a few days and repeat the process. Only after you've personally verified multiple successful cycles should you think about going bigger. Your own experience is worth more than any testimonial. Also, this is critical, never use funds you actually need for bills or emergencies. Only use money you're genuinely okay with potentially losing. Cloud mining is still crypto, and crypto always carries risk. Treat it like any speculative investment, not like a guaranteed income source. And one last tip, set up price alerts for whatever crypto you're mining. Sometimes it makes more sense to wait for a better price point before withdrawing. If ETH drops 10% right after you mine it, maybe hold off a day or two. Timing your withdrawals can actually boost your overall returns. Anyway, if you're interested in checking this out, the link's in the description and pinned in comments. If this was valuable, hit that like button. Questions? Leave them in the comments. I check them regularly. Peace.